Okay, this is how you do a floor with some sort of floor finish. You use a foam roller, and you can use a foam brush or a really nice brush. But I'm just going to use this brush now. So what you do, I happen to be using Daly's Floor Fin. I've done a lot of floors with this stuff. Stir it up good first, I already did. Okay, so I poured this in a roller. Now I just want to show you this. Anybody says how to do it, this is how you do it. Don't listen to anybody else. First go over it with a tack cloth. Can you get this kind of close?
We smell that.
I like the smell of it. Okay, so what you do is you get it on with a roller first. And you see all those bubbles? And put it on pretty thin. I have this a little more too thick than I like it. Okay, now I'm going against the grain. Now, here's the beautiful thing about this. Okay, fairly quickly, take your brush, and like I said, I'm just going to use this little cheapo foam brush. And now, you brush it out right away. And don't miss any spots. If you miss a spot, this sort of texture here will show up. But see what happens when I go over it. See, isn't that beautiful? Nice and smooth.
Oh, wow, it looks different.
Yeah, isn't that beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
This is called Daly's Floor Fin.
Mm-hmm.
You put it on thin, wait a day, and then put another coat on. And it's so nice.
Okay.
And it's the same way, like if you go to Home Depot and get some polyurethane floor finish, put it on with a foam roller and quickly brush it out. I'll do one more here. Down here.
Sure.
Hold on. You still filming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you see how terrible that looks? See how terrible that looks? So if you just put it on with a foam, it's terrible. Now look, it's magic. Ooh. Look how beautiful that becomes when you brush it out right afterwards. That's how you do floor finishes. Don't listen to what anybody else says.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.